Hello, I'm Nestor T. Montana Jr., a third-year student taking Bachelor of Technology, Livelihood Education, studying at Tarlac State University, Tarlac City, Tarlac, Philippines. Introduction about the topic, about the fuel system. The fuel system is an essential part of an internal combustion engine responsible for storing, delivering, and mixing fuel with the air before combustion. It ensures the correct amount of fuel supplied to the engine for efficient power generation. The fuel system can be categorized into different types, including the carburetor-based fuel system in the older vehicle, like fuel injection system in the modern vehicle, and the single-point injection throttle body injection, and the multi-point fuel injection or MPIF. And last is direct fuel injection or GDI. Regardless of all the type, all fuel systems follow a similar basic principle. Now, let's talk. Let's discuss. The fuel system consists of several key components. Number one is the fuel tank. Fuel tank it store fuel. Two, the fuel pump. The fuel pump transfer fuel from tank to the engine. The fuel filter. The fuel filter removes impurities from the fuel. Wait for a few seconds and just okay. Let's continue. Next is the fuel lines. Fuel lines transport fuel between components, and fuel system consists of several key components. The fuel injector. The fuel injector or carburetor in older systems deliver fuel into a combustion chamber. Next is the air intake system, one of the several key components. The air intake system, mixing air with fuel for combustion. Next is the engine combustion chamber. The engine combustion chamber burns fuel to generate power. Wait for a few seconds and here we are. Last but not the least is the exhaust system. Fuel system consists of several key components, the exhaust system. The exhaust system removes combustion by product. Now, let's discuss the step-by-step working of the fuel system. Step-by-step working of the fuel system. First is the fuel storage in the tank. Fuel is stored in the fuel tank, which is usually located at the rear of the vehicle. The tank is designed with ventilation and safety measures to prevent leaks and vapor buildup. Next step is the fuel pump operation. The fuel pump in mechanical in older cars and electric in modern vehicles draw fuel from the tank and pushes it through the fuel lines toward the engine. While the mechanical fuel pump in older vehicles driven by the engine camshaft, supplying fuel under low pressure, while the electric fuel pump in modern vehicles located or near the fuel tank provides high pressure fuel for the fuel injection. Next is the fuel filtration. The next step, fuel fuel filtration. Before reaching the engine, the fuel passes through a fuel filter, which removes dirt, rust, and other impurities. Clean fuel is essential to prevent clogging and ensure smooth engine operation. The next step is the fuel injection or carburation. Carburetor in older cars, the carburetor mixes air and fuel in sending it to the engine. It relies on vacuum, pressure, and mechanical linkage. While in fuel injector in modern cars, electronic fuel injector precisely spray fuel into the intake manifold or directly into the combustion chamber. And there are types of fuel injection system. They are called the throttle body injection or TBI, the multi-point fuel injection MPIF, and the gasoline direct injection or GDI. In throttle body injection (TBI), it uses a single injector at the throttle body, similar to a carburetor, while the multi-point fuel injection or MPIF, each cylinder has its own fuel injector, improving efficiency, while the gasoline direct injection or GDI, fuel is injected directly into the combustion chamber, increasing power and fuel economy. The next step is the air intake mixing. The fuel system works alongside the air intake system, which draw in air through the air filter. The throttle body controls airflow, and in a fuel injecting system, sensors ensure the correct air-fuel mixture. The next step is the combustion in the engine. Once the fuel-air mixture enters the combustion chamber, the spark plug ignites. In gasoline engines, this controlled explosion pushes the piston down, creating a mechanical power that drives the vehicle. The next step is the exhaust and emission control. After combustion, the leftover gases exit through the exhaust system, passing through components like the catalytic converter to reduce emissions before being released into the atmosphere. In conclusion, in our topic about the fuel system, the fuel system is a vital for delivering fuel efficiency to the engine while ensuring optimal performance and low emissions. Modern advancements such as direct fuel injection and electronic control system have greatly improved fuel efficiency and engine performance. And this is the conclusion, and this is our topic about the fuel system. Thank you for watching and God bless.